So instead of chasing a total diet overhaul this September, I want you to focus on something that's more realistic, small, doable wins that fit into your life. How? Well, here are some ideas that might actually work. Number one is start with one fruit, one veggie. Add one each day this week. That might mean apple slices at breakfast or throwing an extra handful of spinach into your scrambled eggs. It doesn't have to be big in order to make a difference. And if one each day feels like too much, then start with one this week. Number two, remember that frozen counts. Frozen produce is picked and frozen at its peak ripeness, so it's often more affordable and cooks up very fast and easy. And while it may be used to get a bad rap, frozen produce, in my opinion, it is a lifesaver.